A pioneer, an innovator, a leader. At Rotoflow, we design, build, and support production-critical turbo machinery. Our expertise in both manufacturing and operating highly engineered, robust machines allows us to deliver unmatched reliability, performance, safety, and value. With hundreds of millions of successful operational hours and over 3,000 units in service worldwide, we set the standard for performance and efficiency. Rotoflow's innovative product lineup features cutting-edge compressor-loaded expanders, also known as companders, powerful generator-loaded expanders, energy dissipative expanders, and specialized turbo machinery designed to meet even the most demanding challenges. For decades, Rotoflow has been transforming Turboexpander technology. Today, we are one of the world's only OEMs both manufacturing and operating turbo machinery. Our standard and custom-engineered turbo machinery is used in diverse market segments, including industrial gas, hydrocarbon, LNG, energy recovery, and petrochemical markets. We are committed to ensuring your performance and operational continuity. Engineered to minimize downtime, Rotoflow turbo expanders ensure operations run smoothly and efficiently to achieve or exceed production goals. Through superior equipment integration, Rotoflow also creates seamless workflows that enhance productivity and reduce waste. These innovations not only enhance performance, but also contribute to the sustainability of our customers' operations. Our team of experts is dedicated to continuous improvement, integrating operational feedback into our designs to meet the precise demands of today's markets. Our ongoing technology development efforts, driven by innovation and product development, are pivotal to the company's growth. By focusing on energy efficiency and energy recovery, we are not only enhancing our product offerings, but also contributing to a sustainable future. At Rotoflow, quality and reliability are at the core of our manufacturing process. Rigorous testing, quality checks, and precision engineering ensure that every product meets the highest standards. All Rotoflow turbo machinery is manufactured to stringent safety requirements, and our technicians undergo extensive training based on global safety policies. Our commitment to total safety is a commitment to doing things right. Experience the Rotoflow difference. Visit us at rotoflow.com to learn more about how we can help you achieve your technology and performance goals. Rotoflow, an air products business. Experience more together.